Hello Model A'ers and welcome back to another video. Today I have Paul Shinn here and I'm driving his unrestored 1929 Model A Ford four-door sedan. So it really is a privilege. I can't thank him enough for this opportunity. So I'm just going to show you what it's like to drive a all-original car. I hope you enjoy the video. This 1929 four-door has been like no other Model A I've ever driven. It's so smooth. There's something about it, how it being untouched, everything is just so tight. Everything is just, there's no rattles, there's no... We don't know anything. You know, there's little quirks about like a restored Model A that is just wasn't there in Paul's car. This is all original. So how long have you had this car?
I've had it 17 years, but I've been around the car much longer than that. It just became mine 17 years ago.
Yeah. I mean, I can't believe how smooth this is.
All right.
It really is a testament to Henry Ford engineering.
Oh yeah. I remember it was Edsel that talked Henry out of building the Model T for forever and start building this. So thank you, Edsel, as well.
Thanks, Edsel. Never would have came to be. Nope. And that's why it's really important for us to have very original cars as like a benchmark for us to say, okay, well, this is how we want our restorations to be like. And sometimes in the restoration process, stuff is just lost. Inevitably, just by taking things apart,
I think what's interesting
it just
about
never
this
is
car,
quite
though,
the same.
It's easy to drive.
It is.
It's like I've driven so many different restored Model A's, and there's all these little things you got to make sure you get the gear right, and it's hard to. This car drives so easy. It's amazing.
For example, if I was driving this car that I'm sitting in now, my 1930 Deluxe Coupe. If I was going up a hill without already going a significant speed in third gear, I would need to downshift. And as you see in this video, this car, the four-door, had no problem going up the hills. I didn't feel like I needed to downshift really at all. It had so much torque.
There's a few speed bumps. This don't care. Just this thing doesn't care. Hold on.
No, I mean,
wow.
It's actually fine.
It totally doesn't care. Right. Let's see if you can get this thing started.
I don't know.
This thing is so temperamental, right?
Yeah. Maybe we may have to crank it.
You may, yeah. Nope, that's off. Oh, no, you did turn it off. Oh, you turned it off earlier? Oh, well, see, that's what I get for not paying attention. Oh, yeah. This thing's so hard to start, isn't it?
Oh, my gosh. I can't.
All right, you ready?
We're ready.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, here we go. I get it. There's two types of people in the Model A world. There's the people who like to drive their cars, and there's the people who like to restore it down to every last detail, the plating of the bolt, or the finish of the undercarriage. Oh, wow. And that's great. You can do whatever you want with your own car, but there's something about an all-original car that can't be duplicated, and I don't think that we have to be either one or the other of those types of people.
Oh, you know what doesn't work, though? The windshield wiper doesn't work. It's an electric
one,
yep, so. And it doesn't work. You know what? I have never taken it like apart. I took it off one time and looked at it and went, nope. I'm not going to drive this thing in the rain anyway.
No.
Problem is, I was just telling Matteo, I feel guilty driving this thing sometimes. I feel like I'm going to use it up or whatever, and it's like, but at the same time, you got to use it to keep it going.
Yeah.
So where's that fine line? I mean, where do you go from it's being driven enough to where it's being maintained, but not using it up? I don't know. I don't know where that line is. I'm not an expert. I'm just me. So I use it now and then. Once in a while, Artine and I will go for a little drive around the neighborhood. I mean, it's been on some tours, but not very many.
Yeah.
I don't know where that line is. If you're a Model A expert and you know where that line is, let me know. Just drop it down in the comments, would you? Turn right. Well, let's see if you can downshift and do it right this time here. Ah, nicely done. Hey, you're going to be teaching a class on how to downshift.
Yep.
You guys do that? You active A's? You do it as a club?
Yeah, so we'll do it as a club, and we're also going to be doing like a driving school, basically.
Nice.
For high schoolers who have a license.
Ooh, brilliant.
Who want to get to know these cars more, learn how to drive one.
Cool.
So,
well, welcome to California.
it was worth it. the missed flights, the cancellations, it was all worth it. I really can't thank you enough for hosting my family, for allowing me to drive this this piece of history. All right, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful car, and I'll see you in the next one.